I am here in the holiest of holies. I am on hallowed ground and I'm so thrilled because this is a place where very few people ever set foot. I am going through that door, meet my old pal Ferry, and we are going to show you the F-104 Starfighter. Let's go! Ferry, where are you? Where are you, Ferry? Hey, there he is!
Coming.
Hey,
Ferry.
old pal.
I was a bit distracted by all this beautiful
women.
No, women. Yeah, Herman, this is absolutely awesome. We are going to see an F-104 Starfighter. It is amazing. If you see this, the volunteers, you will meet later on two X-104 pilots, and I've flown the 104 as well.
Yeah, I was going to say.
But one of them in particular was very special, Hans van der Werf. You will meet him. He was the former demonstration pilot. When I saw his demo as a 16-year-old kid, my decision was clear. I would become a 104 pilot one day. Hermie, this is very exclusive and I may say extreme exclusive stuff, which we're gonna watch.
Show me the beast.
I will. Come on. The first airplane you will see, if you come around the corner, is the F-16. Today is not about the F-16. Today is about the F-104. And let's walk this way. Today is about the 104.
There she is.
Here she is.
Oh. Okay, I'm going to sit in the cockpit now. Water house.
Yes. Just
So, I step on the seat.
yeah, step on the seat. And then
Left foot
left
here.
feet left, right feet right.
Okay.
Sit down.
Well, it's not a Mercedes, but it's big enough.
You have to imagine that normally you're not sitting like this because you wear a parachute on your back.
Of course, so you sit much more forward.
Yeah,
Right?
but 8 to 9 centimeters.
This looks absolutely from the Stone Age to me. You know, I've
Yeah.
flown planes, jets with glass cockpit, and I remember this, of course, from the flying school. The traditional, the altimeter, the oh man, what is this? This is basically your
PSI,
position.
heading indicator.
That's what you call it. And this is your artificial horizon.
Yep.
And this is the
Also,
backup.
alternative.
Okay. And what is this?
Radar.
The radar. And what do you?
You could use it in two modes: ground mapping,
Okay.
so you could navigate with it,
Okay.
and air-to-air,
Okay.
where you can detect enemy planes or
Okay.
anyway other planes.
All right. This airplane has a Gatling gun, right?
Yeah.
How do you activate that?
Here's the trigger.
Okay. All right. And you have different modes of
No,
firing.
One mode firing.
Okay. So if you press it, it's
Yeah.
gone. Okay.
And if you press too long, you get rid of all your bullets before you know it.
And how long does that take?
45 seconds.
That's all?
Yeah. 4,200 per minute, and you had 700 with you.
So I'm sitting on an ejection seat. Now, the first F-104s, what I understood, they ejected out downwards.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound very
No.
good to me if you're at low altitude.
They found out the hard way. Yeah.
I'm sure.
But
So how do you,
the reason was because the armament of the seat wasn't strong enough that to get the seat above the tail.
Okay.
If you-
And
then the
how do
problem-
you eject up? Yeah, I know you shoot up, but how do you do that? What happens?
Well, the big start of it is pulling the D-ring between your legs.
This one here.
And there are 3 cables on it, 3 different lengths, and each cable activates an part of the sequence.
Okay.
That starts with firing the rail here, where the canopy is attached to the airplane.
Yes.
Then the thrusters come out, these two. They push the canopy in the airstream, and the canopy goes away. That also means that you had to have at least 70 knots forward speed.
70.
70 knots.
Okay.
Because to be sure that you get rid of the canopy.
Okay. And then there is a rocket under the seat that fires you
No,
up,
not a
or how
rocket.
does that work? That's in a later stage.
Dynamite, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Hermie, enough. Get out it, get out, get out. You know why? Because I want to sit in it.
You want to sit in
I sat in this airplane in 1982, for Pete's sake. And, you know, I need...
Who is Pete?
I don't know, but I want to sit in
You
there.
said Pete's sake. I don't know who's Pete.
Let me just sit for 1 second, for 1 second. Ah. Never been away. It feels like that.
Feels like you're going home, huh?
Amazing. Oh, yeah. The smell of this cockpit is absolutely, it is
You know,
magnificent.
the fascinating thing is, now you sit in it, and you will notice within seconds you start remembering. Oh, this is so many knots, and this is so many pounds, and this is
I remember the start switches, start 1, start 2, on even and
even
odd days.
Odd days, yeah.
Stop start, and the only thing I don't remember, were we required to keep it up during the engine spin up, or was it just hit the tit?
Nee.
And then 20% RPM throttle around the
Je
horn.
hield hem vast.
Hield hem vast, ja.
Sorry,
kept
yeah.
it. And then at 40%, 50% stop
start.
start, boom. Yeah, oh, amazing. It all wakes up again.
Yeah.
And that's only starting the engine, let alone flying this magnificent airplane. Impressive. And the best thing, how many RPM would we have to howl it? 86?
83. 83 was the best. Yeah.
83%. And then you heard,